So it's a rainy day in Florida, which happens pretty much every day in the summertime here because it's hurricane season from June to November. So sometimes it's depressing because it's not as sunny and bright as it normally is, and sunshine is a big reason I moved to Florida because I moved from Wisconsin, which was always kind of just gray and depressing. So I know I'm affected by the weather quite a bit, and I've got anxiety. I'm taking medicine for it and everything. It's not horrible, but I also haven't had a panic attack in a long time, so that's also good. So, just something that I had read recently is that cleaning for people who have anxiety is really hard, and I totally get that. My room, my apartment, my closet, my bathroom, like, I hate cleaning. I hate throwing things away. I hate all of that. Like, when I was little, my sister loves to clean, and I would pay her to do my chores, which is probably why she had more money coming out of college, has paid off her loans, could buy her first car, all that fun stuff. And I am still trying to get out of student loans and debt and all those fun things. But it all kind of seems to tie together, it seems like. And I just cleaned the bathroom, which is a big thing for me. Not the whole bathroom, but I cleaned the sink and the mirrors and the toilet. And I don't know, it's like you have to celebrate those little wins, those accomplishments, those little steps to, I'll tackle the bathtub next time, or I'll sweep the floor, or whatever. So just when you're down or depressed, just remember that you're not alone ever, and that you need to set goals. You have to set steps to achieve those goals and celebrate each step, not just when you get to the final finish line and meet the goal itself in full. Sometimes I think we don't meet our goals because we don't feel like we've done enough, or we get discouraged along the way. But when you do celebrate each step along the way, it gives you a little more momentum to keep going for that final goal. So, just my random ramblings here for a rainy Thursday in Florida. Hope y'all have a great day.